Hello, everyone, and welcome back to New Lesson of English podcast. If you're new here, my name is Emily, and on this channel, we learn real-life English in a simple and practical way. If you want to speak English confidently in your daily life, make sure you subscribe and practice with me. All right, let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about something very useful: how to speak English at a coffee shop. This is a place many people visit every day, and it's a perfect place to practice real English conversations. If you ever feel nervous while ordering in English, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will feel much more confident. Let's imagine you walk into a coffee shop. The barista smiles and says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" You can reply, "Hello, I'd like a coffee, please." Simple, polite, and perfect. Now let's improve your sentence. Instead of just saying coffee, you can be more specific. "I'd like a small coffee." "I'd like a medium latte." "Can I have a cappuccino, please?" You can also choose the temperature. "I'd like a hot coffee." "I'd like an iced coffee." Here's a good example. "Hi, I'd like a large iced latte, please." Now, if you want something to eat, you can say, "Can I also have a muffin?" "And a cookie, please." "I'd like a sandwich as well." Let's try a full order. "Hi, I'd like a large iced coffee, please, and a chocolate muffin." After your order, the barista will tell you the price. That will be $5. You can respond, "I'll pay by card." "I'll pay with cash." The barista may ask, "For here or to go?" You can say, "For here, please," or "To go, please." You can also ask questions if needed. "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" "Do you have Wi-Fi?" "What's the Wi-Fi password?" If you don't understand something, you can say, "Could you repeat that, please?" "Can you speak a little slower?" Always be polite. Use words like please and thank you. Instead of saying, "I want a coffee," say, "I'd like a coffee, please." You can also customize your order. "Can I have it with no sugar?" "Can I get extra milk?" "Can I have almond milk?" If you are not sure what to order, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" "What's popular today?" Now let's practice a full example. "Hello, I'd like a medium iced coffee, please. And a chocolate cookie. To go, please. I'll pay by card. Thank you very much." Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes while learning. The important thing is to speak. Even small sentences help you improve. Start with simple sentences. Speak slowly and clearly. Use polite expressions. Practice every day. All right, everyone, that's all for today. I hope this lesson helps you feel more confident when you visit a coffee shop and speak English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments what your favorite coffee is. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!